Attention! What in Sam Hill is that dog doing here? This is an army base, not a petting zoo. Whose dog is this?
Yes, he's my dog, Colonel, sir.
What in tarnation? Did you train this dog, soldier?
Yes, sir. Wasn't that hard, sir?
Well, as long as that dog soldier's like that, he's as welcome as any man in this army. Carry on, men!
You're something else, Stubby.
It's gas. We need to sound the alarm. Let's go. Run!
Stubby, go! Go tell them, Stubby, go!
Stubby, okay?
Gas!
Gas! Look! Gas! The dog is trying to warn us! Everybody, go inside and put on your masks! Stubby, you are our hero, Stubby.